Good morning. I'm Ryojiro Tominaga from the Fuji Corporation headquarters office from Japan. And I'm a project manager and working for that additive manufacturing related development and activities. So actually, this is my first time to have a presentation in the Tech Break event. So I'm very happy to see so many people today. Thank you very much. And it gives me a lot of the motivation to me. And also, I want to say thank you to that Tech Break organization and giving me such a good opportunity like today. So in the past, I've been talking about that electronic 3D printer, which can make printed circuit board by fully additive manufacturing process. And in today's my presentation, I'm going to focus on the 3D device and how to make a 3D component layout in an object by the additive manufacturing process. Okay, so here, please let me show our Fuji Corporation's overall activities related to that additive manufacturing. So if we talk about that additive technologies, most of the people imagine that electronics purpose and mechanical purposes. So we are doing a lot of that activities related to that area. For example, for the electronics field, we already have a solder screen printer machine product. This is one of the important product in our company, as well as that component pick and placement machine. And in the opposite side, we have some inkjet 3D printer for the resin printing from the stratasys or 3D systems. And we are using those machines for that prototyping and development for the new robot product. Also, we are using that metal 3D printer. This is a powder-bed fusion type, right? And from the EOS. And working for that creation of that high-performance component that can be used for that our robot product. Today's my focus area is this one. This is that the kind of that hybrid of that additive technologies between that electronics and mechanical. So this machine is called the FPM Trinity. And we are already doing that sample manufacturing and the proof of the concept service using this platform. Okay, please let me introduce and dive deeply about this machine. I have some movies. Okay, this machine is basically consisted from the two kinds of that module. On the left side, there is a pick and placement machine, and the right side is that printing machine. At first, this machine prints the UV-curable resin with a 600 dpi inkjet system, and printed resin can be hardened by the UV exposure. And on that surface, this machine prints the silver conductive ink as well, using the same resolution of that inkjetting system. And printed silver can be dried and sintered with a very low temperature. And by repeating that process, these guys can make the multi-layer circuit. And to do that SMT process, instead of the solder material, we use the silver conductive paste and epoxy type adhesive by the dispenser system to make a good electrical connection and adhesion between the component and substrate. And after the deposition of the paste, palette moved to that left side module for that pick and placement of that SMD component like this. And after that, return to that backside module, and paste can be cured